Okay, I'm going to share with you a quick little tip that has definitely saved me tons of time, so I hope you'll find it useful. You probably already know about it because I'm probably late to the game, but in case you don't, hopefully this will be something new for some of you. But before I get into that, I do want to share that I'm using the screen recording on my phone. Super, super cool feature. If you haven't explored that, definitely check it out. I know at one point you had to enable it or add it to your features, but if you just kind of pull down on your phone, this little button down here that you can see flashing is the screen recorder. So it's recording my screen right now. However, I did not know that there was audio until recently. Cindy made a video and it was so cool, and she just spoke along with her recording. But she showed me that when you click the recording, there is a microphone that you actually can enable. So I've done that. So now I have voice with my recording. So I'm going to show you today how to add hashtags into a Facebook post or Instagram. I use it mostly for Twitter, but it has saved me tons of time, so I don't have to sit there and type out all those hashtags. So you're adding a keyboard phrase that will pop those in. Now it does put them in your text message also, so be careful of the word you choose. So I'm going to go to settings. I've already gotten in here, so I'm going to go back out. I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to go to general. And then you can see I'm going to go to keyboard. Then there is this text replacement right here. So when I click on text replacement, you can see I have just two phrases, but this EMS one is one that I use a lot. So previously I had it the shortened, phrase that I had for it was work. But every time I would type work into a text message, all these hashtags would pop up. And I apparently type work quite often. It also was showing up on my daughter's phones. So they were like, Mom, you got to change this. So I went ahead and changed it to EMS. So it is work related. So that signals to me. But if I type EMS in a text, all these text messages pop up still. So I do have OMW for on my way. You can add as many as you want. But the first thing you're going to do is click the plus. The phrase is going to be the hashtags. So I'm just playing here. So cool. Fun. Whatever you want to put in here. Love this. So these would be work-related hashtags, your school hashtags, whatever it is that you usually add to the end of your tweet, for instance. This is where you would type those particular hashtags. Now, I would put in more than enough because you can always delete them, but that way they're all there. The shortcut is going to be the word that you type in that will automatically expand these hashtags into your post. So for this one, I'm just going to type fun. Now, I probably type that word a lot, so I will have to delete this. And then I click save. Okay, the shortcut can't have spaces. All right, save. So now it's in there as fun. So now when I go into a text message and I create a new text and I come in here and I type the word fun, you can see all those hashtags populating right there. I hit the space bar and then there they are. All of those hashtags are there. So the same thing would happen in a tweet. If I was to go in and compose a tweet, then that would happen as well. So if I go into Twitter, and then I'll show you an example of what this looks like. If I create a new tweet and I type the word fun, you can see they all populate down there, and then I hit the space bar and there they are. So I can always take out what I don't want and then, add in more, but they're there and I don't have to spend the time typing them. So I hope you find that useful, and check it out and let me know what you think. Have a great day.